In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to record expenses in Zoho Books. If you want to keep your financial records accurate and organized, recording expenses properly is an important habit. Zoho Books makes this process straightforward, and once you know where everything is, you can add new expenses in just a few clicks. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you through the exact process so you can follow along easily. To get started, open your Zoho Books account and sign in. Once you're inside the dashboard, take a moment to make sure you're in the correct organization or business profile if you manage more than one. This helps prevent expenses from being entered in the wrong place. From the main menu, click on Purchases. This section is where Zoho Books groups together all the records related to money your business spends. Inside the Purchases area, click on Expenses. Here, you'll be able to see previously recorded expenses and manage new ones as needed. Next, click on Record Expense. This will open the expense entry form where you can begin adding the transaction details. This is the key part of the process, so it's worth taking a little extra care here to make sure everything is entered correctly. Now, fill out all the necessary details. Depending on your setup, this may include the expense date, the vendor or merchant, the account used for payment, the expense account or category, the amount, and any notes or reference information you want to keep for your records. If there's an option to attach a receipt, it's a good idea to include it, so your documentation stays complete and easy to review later. As you enter the information, double-check the amount and category, since accurate expense tracking helps with reporting, budgeting, and tax preparation. Once you've completed the form and confirmed that all the details look correct, click Save. Zoho Books will then record the expense and add it to your expense list. At that point, the transaction becomes part of your books, helping you maintain a clear picture of your business spending. And that's it. That's how to record expenses in Zoho Books. As a quick tip, try to enter expenses as soon as they happen, rather than waiting until the end of the month. It saves time, reduces errors, and keeps your books consistently up to date.